Hi, my name is Anubha Sharma. I'm founder and CEO of a charitable organization called Angel Express Foundation. We work in the city of Mumbai in India, where there are over 9 million people living in slums. We use the unique geography of Mumbai, where slums border high rises across the city, by creating meeting points for regular, meaningful interaction between different economic classes in public spaces like parks. This happens through a sustainable neighborhood community service project initiated and operated typically by educated stay at home mothers and able bodied retired from the affluent families of the neighborhood. These free learning centers, or AXF FLCs as we call them, support quality education for the underserved children from the slum neighborhoods who attend schools providing poor quality education. These centers also contribute to reduced inequality through redistribution of essential items like clothes, shoes, toys, and better health and nutrition with a daily healthy snack. Our teaching content lays emphasis on value education and good citizenship, with particular focus on gender equality through positive role modeling, stories, and life skill classes conducted by well trained volunteers, as well as through regular counseling sessions with their parents for a deeper impact. We also speak to our beneficiary families on good parenting, creating a supportive atmosphere at home for their children, and actively campaign for reduced domestic violence. We support our beneficiary families in times of crisis. For example, during the lockdown months, we have raised funds to distribute relief material like ration and nutrition kits to the tune of 150,000 USD. We started with 18 children in 2012, and in 2019 we were working with 2,200 children with the help of 700 volunteers in 20 neighborhoods. By enabling students with data packs and devices during the pandemic, we have managed to activate over 1,400 students who are attending online classes conducted by 1,000 volunteers. Students join the AXF FLCs as 6 to 10-year-olds. We nurture them till they are employed through a variety of interventions which include coaching in English, math, life skills, school subject tutoring for high school students, scholarship and coaching support to support those academically inclined for higher education. Our youth engagement program provides academic and vocational guidance, linkages to vocational training institutions, as well as job readiness training and placement opportunities. Our ultimate goal is reduce poverty through sustainable employment. If I'm selected as a finalist, I hope to be able to share a solution, experience, and resources with other countries around the world to reduce class and economic divide and participate in the creation of a more aware and empathetic society. Thank you.